Exploring the phrase, hand of death. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, hand of death. This expression has various uses and connotations in English, and understanding it can enrich your language skills. Let's explore together. The phrase, hand of death, can be understood in a literal sense. Here, hand refers to the physical hand of a person, and death signifies the end of life. When combined, it can be interpreted as a hand causing death or associated with it. This interpretation is often seen in stories or metaphors. In a more figurative sense, hand of death can represent a force or influence that causes harm or death. This could be a person, a group, or even a metaphorical concept. It's commonly used in literature, movies, and sometimes in everyday conversation to describe a deadly or harmful influence. This phrase also has cultural and historical contexts. In some narratives, the hand of death is personified as a character, often a villain or a supernatural entity. It's important to understand these references to fully grasp the weight and implications of the phrase in different settings. In modern English, hand of death is used both literally and metaphorically. It can describe a lethal action or influence, but it's also employed in a hyperbolic manner to emphasize the severity or danger of a situation, person, or entity. Let's look at some examples. 1. Literal. The assassin was known as the hand of death. 2. Figurative. Corruption was the hand of death behind the failing company. 3. Hyperbolic. My mom's strict rules were the hand of death to my weekend plans. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, hand of death. Understanding such expressions not only enhances your English language skills but also enriches your appreciation of its cultural and literary depths. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.